In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms toniques, but we'll see more precisely nous. So, let's see together first what are les pronoms toniques. Stressed pronouns in French, also known as disjunctive or emphatic pronouns, are used to emphasize or reinforce a particular element in a sentence. So this is really important. Remember, you will use les pronoms toniques to emphasize or reinforce an element that is in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important is that unlike subject pronouns, the stressed pronouns are used in various positions within a sentence for emphasis or clarification. So these pronouns will have this possibility to occupy various positions in the sentence. So this lesson is about nous. And the stressed pronoun nous can be translated into English as we or us. So we will see some examples with nous. Nous allons au cinéma ce soir. Nous allons au cinéma ce soir. C'est nous qui avons préparé le dîner. C'est nous qui avons préparé le dîner. Nous préférons la plage à la montagne. Nous préférons la plage à la montagne. Entre nous, je pense que c'est une mauvaise idée. Entre nous, je pense que c'est une mauvaise idée.